Let's face it, generic budgets often leave us feeling deprived. You stick to them for a week, then that latte you crave looks mighty tempting, and boom, budget blown. The key is to understand where your money goes and how it aligns with the life you want to live. But budgeting goes way beyond just avoiding those tempting lattes. Here's how a well-crafted budget can truly transform your financial life. Reach your goals. Ever dream of that vacation to Italy or a cozy new home? A budget helps you allocate your hard-earned money towards those big goals. By understanding your income and expenses, you can see exactly how much you need to save and create a realistic savings plan. Reduce stress. Money worries are a major source of stress. Budgeting helps you feel in control of your finances. You know what's coming in and what's going out, so no surprises are lurking around the corner. This can lead to a calmer, more confident you. Build financial security. Life is full of unexpected expenses. A car repair, a medical bill, these things can throw your finances off track. But with a solid emergency fund built through budgeting, you can weather these storms without going into debt. Improve your buying habits. Tracking your spending with a budget is a real eye-opener. You might realize how much you spend on impulse purchases or subscriptions you barely use. Budgeting helps you become more mindful of your spending, allowing you to make smarter choices with your money. A plan for the future. Retirement might seem far away, but the sooner you start planning, the better. Budgeting allows you to factor in retirement savings, ensuring you have a comfortable nest egg for your golden years. Alright, let's break down the steps to crafting a budget that works for you. Step 1. Become a money detective. Track your spending for a whole month, turn into a money detective. Track every single expense, big or small. There are budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even good old-fashioned notebooks to help you with this financial investigation. Here's how to be a thorough detective. Gather your tools. Choose your tracking method, app, spreadsheet, notebook. Make sure it's something you'll use. Track everything, every coffee, every grocery haul, every clothing purchase, no exceptions. Be honest with yourself. Categorize your transactions. Group your expenses into categories like rent/mortgage, groceries, transportation, entertainment, etc. This will help you see where your money is flowing. Be consistent. Tracking for a full month gives you a complete picture of your spending habits. Don't get discouraged. This is all about gathering valuable information. Step 2. Find your financial values. Identify what matters now that you've seen your money in action. It's time for some soul searching. Ask yourself, what brings me joy? What are the things I can't live without? Maybe it's weekly movie nights or that gym membership that keeps you healthy. Recognizing your values helps you prioritize where your money goes. Here are some prompts to get you started. What experiences are most important to me? Travel, dining out, hobbies. What brings me a sense of well-being? Fitness classes, healthy groceries, relaxation activities. What are my financial goals? Saving for a house, car, dream vacation? Step 3. Tame the money monster. Categorize your expenses. Remember all those categories you created while tracking your spending? It's time to use them. Now you'll analyze your expenses within each category. Here's how to tame the money monster and gain control. Analyze each category. Look at your spending habits within each category, groceries, entertainment, etc. Are there any areas you can cut back without sacrificing your values? Be realistic. Don't try to slash your spending overnight. Maybe it's finding cheaper grocery alternatives or opting for free entertainment options some weeks. Or identify leaks. Are there any subscriptions you barely use? Can you brown bag lunch a few days a week? Look for areas where your money might be slipping away unnoticed. Step 4. Craft your personalized budget. Setting achievable goals. Now that you've tracked your spending and identified your values, it's time to translate that information into a workable budget. But ditch the generic templates. We're building a budget that reflects your unique lifestyle and goals. Here's how to set achievable goals and make your budget sing. Start with your net income. This is your take-home pay after taxes and deductions. This is the money you have to work with. Prioritize your needs. Rent/mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation. These are the essential expenses that keep your life running smoothly. Allocate a realistic amount for each category based on your tracking data. Factor in debt payments. Include minimum payments for credit cards, student loans, etc. If you're feeling ambitious, factor in extra payments to tackle debt faster. Set smart savings goals. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Do you dream of a vacation next year? A down payment on a house? Set a clear savings goal and calculate the monthly amount you need to save to reach it. Don't forget the fun stuff. We all deserve some enjoyment. Allocate a realistic amount for entertainment, hobbies, or dining out. Remember, the key is to find a balance that aligns with your values. Be flexible. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses happen. Include a buffer category in your budget for those just-in-case moments. This will prevent you from feeling derailed if your car needs repairs. Use the 50/30/20 rule. Optional. This popular budgeting method suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a good starting point, but feel free to adjust the percentages based on your priorities. Step 5. Embrace the journey. Be flexible and track your progress. Your budget isn't set in stone. It's a living document that should adapt to your life's changes. Here are some tips for embracing the journey and making your budget work for you. Review regularly. Schedule monthly check-ins with your budget. See where your spending aligns with your plan and make adjustments as needed. Embrace technology. There are budgeting apps that can automate many tasks, like tracking spending and categorizing transactions. Find tools that make budgeting easier and more enjoyable. Celebrate wins. Reaching a savings goal? Debt-free milestone? Acknowledge your progress. This keeps you motivated and on track. Forgive yourself. Did you overspend on groceries this week? Don't beat yourself up. Analyze what happened and adjust your plan for next month. Budgeting is a learning process. Seek support. Talk to a friend, family member, or financial advisor if you need help sticking to your budget. Accountability can be a powerful tool. Step 6. Automate your savings and bill payments. Set yourself up for success. We all know the struggle of good intentions versus following through. Here's how to automate your finances and set yourself up for budgeting success. Schedule automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. This pay yourself first approach ensures you're saving consistently, even before you get tempted to spend that money. Automate your bills. Put your rent, utilities, and other recurring bills on autopay. This eliminates the risk of late fees and ensures your essential expenses are always covered on time. Explore automatic budgeting tools. Some budgeting apps allow you to set up automatic allocations for different spending categories. This can streamline your budgeting process and make it more manageable. By automating these tasks, you'll remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere and free yourself up to focus on other aspects of your financial goals. Step 7. Budgeting beyond the spreadsheet. Make it fun and sustainable. Let's face it, spreadsheets can feel daunting. Budgeting shouldn't be a chore. Here are some ways to make it fun and sustainable. Find budgeting tools you enjoy. There are budgeting apps with gamified features, progress trackers, and colorful interfaces. Explore your options and find a tool that motivates you to engage with your finances. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Hit your savings goal for a new gadget. Celebrate with a small treat. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated on your budgeting journey. Turn budgeting into a social activity. Budgeting with a friend or partner can keep you accountable and add a social element. Share your goals and celebrate each other's successes. Focus on the positive. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about empowering yourself to achieve your financial dreams. Focus on the positive outcomes you're working towards, like that dream vacation or a secure retirement. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. There are budgeting apps with fun interfaces, or you could reward yourself for reaching milestones with a small treat. Remember, your budget is a tool, not a punishment. By taking control of your finances, you'll feel empowered and free to live the life you want. Leave a comment below with your favorite budgeting tips and tricks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving hacks.